Alright guys, this is another Kim Manser video. Woman Dance by VTA Partners. I don't know what that means. We made this on the spot and it turned out to be a vibe. Okay. Song Woman by Doja Cat, dancers. Thank you guys for watching. Outstanding. Loved every second, of course. So great job. Alright, outstanding, outstanding. Let me check it out. It's already fire. All right, go on. Go on. Oh yeah, this is. I forgot she had a choreo in that music video. I guess they're using that. Are they transitioning this shit? Rotation. I don't know what I'm saying. Can y'all tell? Sylvia, that's Sylvia, right? From Hey, and your orange top. I don't recognize left, but okay. Okay, they are get their little solos. No, I didn't appreciate that. It's only a minute long video. Let me start over. I didn't appreciate that. I didn't appreciate the solos. Hold on. Sometimes I wasn't. I usually don't react to videos this short, but I was like, could be a banger, and it's a banger. I'm gonna keep starting it over. Sorry. But okay. Hit it. There you go. Okay. Next. I love that's fire actually. So they do their like little solo moves, and then the whole group does it. That's so fire. Was that literally? Hold up. Sorry. There's no way that this is like freestyle low key. Like we're gonna rotate, you do your thing, and then we'll copy you. That'd be fire. That is so hard, bro. Kim. One more time. Y'all, because y'all didn't notice it. Y'all see black shorts? Are those even called shorts? Whatever. That's fire. The cameraman, pan out. Let me show. I didn't know all that was like afterwards. I thought it was basically okay.
You need a woman's touch in your place. Just protect her and keep her safe. Baby, worship my hips and waist.
All right, dear Lord. If you guys enjoyed the video, go to the original video, leave a like. If not, leave it alone. Other than that, keep your head up. Peace.